day, good morning, have a nice day, good day. So, guys, this time I'm doing game Get Launch Pool Frog. Get Launch Pool Frog. So, guys, this time we're gonna discuss Frog Launch Pool to discuss more discussion and to get more information. This related Frog Launch Pool. Okay. Starting our work. Uh, Git launch pool, a newly added fragmentric uh, frag stack BTC frag to error reward delivered in real time. Okay, and 30 days 6 month 2025 fragmentric frag will be launched on Git launch pool stack BTC. Uh, Frag to error, frag tokens, reward every hour. Okay. First of all, everyone, thank you so much. You joined my live stream. How are you today? Good morning, Skyfall, Git user, Rutuba, UID, and many other members. Thanks to all members and Chotke Patriot. Welcome. Okay, Fragmatic Frag will be launched on Git Launch Bootstrap BTC Frag to Earn Frag token reward every hour. Airdrop details stacking period 1 July 2025 at 2 9 July 2025 12 UTC time. Total stacking reward 75 this, 7 uh, 7 750,000 frag. Okay, and stack to error no. Fragmentary begins to slow now. Solana first native liquid to the stacking protocols and involved into the advanced Frog 22 as the management standard. This new standard seamlessly integrates multi-asset deposit, passives, reward distributions, and modelers while searching, empowering both developers developers and users efficiently access efficiently empowering both developers and users to efficiently access abstracted DeFi strategies. Okay, and official website, Twitter white papers, and FAQ, BTC pool, total stacking reward 500,000 frag per participants 19 41 and tokens stack BTC price pool hourly cap 2604.16 frag mining period 8 days individual hourly reward cap 182 82.29 frag and Lotl uh, total stacked 1923 00820708 BTC APR and APR 2.77 percent. Okay, my reward and stacking. Okay, guys. Unlocking roles 100% unlock it. Launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stack your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you'll start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions the systems will distribute the tokens reward to user support accounts every hour based on the proportions of assets stacked by each user. FAQ Git Launch Pool FAQ. Git Launch Pool FAQ. What is Git Launch Pool? Git Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn earlier of hot and new coins, but with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. And question number two: how can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Git account and navigate to the Git Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Check the participation guide. Okay, and question number three. Which coins can I stake in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. And question number four: how many tokens will be rewards? Hollywood stacking rewards individual latest one whole value stacking amount total pool stacking amounts hardly rewards pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hoard and stack and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. Question number five. um, Question number five: how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts yearly, and tokens rewards are distributed to eligible users. Yearly earning will be distributed into user support accounts. Question number six: when will the stacked assets redeemed after the user redeemed in advance or the staking is completed, the stacking assets will be transferred to simple errand by default. If this option is unchecked, the stack assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errors, the asset will be automatically transferred to sport asset. If simple errand does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assets will be also automatically transferred to sport asset. Okay, guys, and question number seven: can I redeem stacked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amounts. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Question number eight: can I additional stacking assets? You can increase your stacking assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking reward. Okay, guys. Question number nine: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same times, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pools needs to be stacking separately. If you only stack assets in pools for you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to you to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new tokens. Okay, and question number 10: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The Horley reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement on the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Question number 11. Question number 11. Well, stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No asset stacking in the gate launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculations for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. Sorry. Question number 12: what will happen to my fund if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacking principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended. Your last interest will be distributed on the or after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. Okay, and question sorry, about annual percentage rate APR. One, when the reward coin is the stack coins APR, total reward released in the last horse total stacks multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. And so when the rewards coin is not the stack coin APR, total reward released in the last horse X closing price of the rewards coin of the last horse total stacking X closing price of the stacking coins to of the last horse multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. The APR is an estimate and reference only. The actual annualizing return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Okay, guys. How to participate in log your gate account and complete identity verifications. Navigate to launch pool. Holding list 0.00001 BTC 1 frag. Click stack launch pool. Quick stack Aaron potential new tokens 346.2 M and 27.11 B funds raised and 5.68 M and 707.7K estimated total reward. Okay, and about launch pool. About launch pool, what is launch pool? Question number one: what is launch pool? Um, the launch pool is a platform where users can stack this there as a store, provide liquidity to earn reward his new projects tokens. Users can lock specified tokens in the launch pool to receive corresponding project tokens reward. Join launch pool. No. And question number two. How can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Choose the project you want to participate in. Stake your assets. Which coins can I stake in Launchpool? The tokens eligible for participations will announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? Question number four: how many tokens will be reward? Hourly stacking reward individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount total pool stacking amount multiple hourly reward pool system will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts each hour and take the average as the valid stacking amount. Question number five: how are reward distributed? System will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts and distribute token rewards to eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into user support account. Question number six: when will the stacking as a stacked assets be redeemed after the user redeemed in advance or the stacking is completed. The stacking as will be transferred to simple errands by default. If these options is unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into support assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscriptions amounts of simple errands. The assets will be automatically transferred to sport assets. If simple errands does not support the subscriptions of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to sport assets. Question number seven: can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? And the system will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts of each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. How, However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please remain stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. Question number 8: can I add additional stacking assets? You can increase your stacking assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the rewards cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking reward. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pools of to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked up separately. If you only stack assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per users. For each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Thank you so much, Asif Tahseen, brother. Thank you so much. You joined my live stream. I'm so happy you joined my live stream. Thank you so much, bro. Okay, guys. Uh, question number nine. Question number nine. Can I participate in multiple projects? Thank you. Uh, thank you so much, bye. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same times? When the okay, okay, when there are multiple launch pool. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, okay, brother ji. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hardly. Okay, 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 brother. Thank you so much. You gave me some time. Join my live stream. Thank you. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Question number 11. Well, while stacking as asked in the launch pool impact my VIP level, no, as a stacking in Git launch pool will be including the as holding calculations for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. Project informations. Dragonfly, thank you so much. You joined my live stream. Thank you. Project information. Pragmatic begins as Solana first native liquid restacking protocols and involved into advanced Frag 22 assessed management standard. These new standards seamlessly integrates multi adjust deposits, prices, reward distributions, and modularly wallet searching, empowering both developers and users efficiently access deposit sufficient DeFi strategies. This is a website. Welcome to Pragmatic Stack to its error mode overview. Pragmatic began on Solana first native liquid restacking protocols uh, and evolved into the advanced Frag 22 as management standards. This is okay. Overview. A pragmatic begins as Solana first native liquidity stacking protocols and evolved into the advanced Frag 22 access management standards. This new standard seamlessly integrates multiple assets, deposit prices, reward distributions, and model held sourcing, improving both developers and users. Um, to efficiently access sophisticated strategies. Okay, and stack twists, error more website, Discord, Twitter, and quick link. Fragments, pragmatic protocols guide brands and developers for developers. View developers tools. Okay. What is SANG? SANG is observations of the Solana network's gold and refers to our community members who stack their tokens using pragmatic by becoming SANG. SANG, you became more than just a user. And Overview. Solana high performance blockchains architectures has forested innovative stacking mechanisms, enhancing both network security and user capital efficiency. Key components: stacking, looking soul token with validators to secure the network and earn reward. Liquidity stacking tokens LST as derivatives representing stacking soul, providing liquidity and enabling participations in DeFi. Restacking, stacking as in secured additional services or protocol amplifying rewards. Liquidity restacking tokens, LTRS stacking, and liquid stacking tokens, LSTS, and restacking liquid stacking tokens are LRTS. Okay, and next stacking users, stacking soul, and number three, unstack soul and valid Solana validators networks. Number two, generatives valid and Solana stacking valid, and liquid stacking token LST users, stacking soul, redeem LSTS, minute LST to user, return soul and valid to LST mining protocol, and Solana validators networks, and Solana stacking valid, liquid stacking tokens LST, restacking Restacking users, stack soul, minute LTS, restack LTS, validators, node consensus networks, detect and slasher, liquid stacking tokens, LRT, user validators, pragmatic, DeFi protocols, node consumers, network. Okay. Node consensus network and NS. What are node consensus networks? Blockchains, cross chains, right? So processors networks, and YNC and S matters. Integrations with restacking protocols, real work examples, G2 tip router. Okay. NCN partners, NCN partnerships, project NCN categories. Restacking and unstacking, how to risk and stack twice, error mode, and connect value to fragmentric. Select the tokens you wish to risk and choose as to stack as fractal. Choose amount to restack as fractal and click restack button. And what for the transactions to the submitted, and enjoy your fractal. And next, wrap and unwrap, how to wrap. Connect value to fragmentric, choose as a steward and choose amount to wrap, click wrap button and click confirm button. Wait for the transactions to the submitted and um, implore horizontify strategic using your fractal. Okay, buy and sell. Next option, buy and sell frag. WFrag assets can be purchased with any mainstreams to the SPL tokens, Jupiter's Orca, and using DeFi. Next up, using DeFi, frag assist in integrating with whitelisted protocol with more on the way. Whitelisting protocols, this is a listing, long listing. Okay, and next, overview. Overview, all pragmatic priorities, security above all else. Our system has been carefully engaged, engineered for resilience and protections with significant resources detected to meeting the highest security standards. Our missions is to deliver trusted and secure platform for our user. Okay. And next, adhered security remains our fundamentals, pillars of pragmatic ongoing educations to developing secures and enabling crypto economic infrastructures. Below we share our audit report. Quant step view the audit report. Previous audit report. Quant step view the audit report and Scartora view the edit report. Okay, and tokenize overview, token specifications, tokens name, maximums, total supply, token names, fragmentric frag, and the maximum total supply 1 billion minutes, circulating supply to 0.2 million frag token standards, Solana SPL token distribution and distribution chart. This is a chart distribution breakdown. Uh, core contributions 20% is represent fragment labs teams and advisor vesting schedule, and the investors 22% respects vesting schedules, and number 3 for foundations 30% purpose vesting schedules, ecosystem development and community 30% purpose vesting schedules, and airdrop number 5 airdrop 50% season 1.10 8% of total supply, future season 7% reserve, and distribution based on protocol contributions and engagement meeting visiting shadows summary. Token utility, government's participation stacking, forward voting powers, time waiting voting, government scope, and pragmatic grants program, frag reward, and websites, pragmatic airdrop claim draw, and discommunications, and next frag. Frog, your voice, your community, your futures overview. What is Frog? Frog is the stacking Verizon Frag tokens that unlock three core benefits of commented community members, while by believers, pragmatic vote tokens, and even more with Frag. How Frag work? Conversations process stack Frag. One lock your frag tokens in the frag matrix stations and receive frag error FVT. Participate fragmatic vote tokens FVT. What what are FVT? FVT distributions, schedules, and how to stack, select amount, confirm transactions, stacking process, community building, the believers journey, community initiatives, governments for farmers, builder grants, educational programs, ambassador networks, and get standard today. FAQ, what is Fragmatrix? What is Fragmatrix? Fragmatrix begins to Solana. First native liquid stacking protocols include liquid restacking tokens, LRTS, maximum stacking, and DeFi, expanding into Frag 22. Fragmatic unified device assets, including Sol, LSTS, and SPL tokens into a single composable framework, streamlining strategic asset collections and wallet optimizing. What is pragmatic mission? Stack starting as the first Solana native liquid stacking protocols, Pragmatic aims to bridge the gap between Solana main networks and involving landscape landscape of chain consensus systems such as oracles, bridges, and keepers networks. These systems require robust economic security, allegiant with Solana core consensus to ensure overall network stability. And why should I care? Securing both the Solana networks and additional networks might seem um, up, unrelated to why you would use Pragmatic. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. Join my live stream. Thanks to our members. Join my live stream. Thank you. Uh, the next question: what Frag assessed? Frag assessed is a received tokens. The services as representations of one's positions in the pragmatic protocols. And how do I receive my reward? Frag just automatically compound stacking and every reward if the underlying deposit products them, e.g. Sol or other LSD. And where are my tokens stored? When you deposit tokens, they are transferred to the pragmatic fund account, which security holds user access. And how do I get points? How do I get point? Have points in first reward provide pragmatic through its protocol reward modeler to participate. Simply hold your frag assessed in your wallet and verify that the reward system is activated you using your wallet address. What are pragmatic socials? You can find your our community and updates on the following platform: Discord and Twitter, blog. Okay. And pragmatic include rising based security, finance, Solana, the auto liquid risking, and valid computimizes. And next, restack, unlocking the full potentials of your stacking Solana by leveraging it crypto economic security across multiple protocols. Frog Soul maximize your revenue potentials with Solana risk ecosystem with frag frag ecosystems in frag souls, which offers optimized revenue sharing from uh, restacking protocols. Okay, and Get Labs investment disclosures. Get Labs did not invest in fragmentric frag nodes. Get Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for opportunistically capturing market opportunities. Please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Number three, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the reward. Number four, where any discrepancy arises between the translated variations and the original English variant, the English variant shall prevail. Get get resources all right to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc, and users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in these events, game or computationals. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. Risk warning: the project's team does not agreement the token's price will not be lower than the initial sale price. Please invest with sections and does not invest by one your financial capacity. The crypto project is still in its initial stages. Factors uh, including the operations and underlying technology of the projects and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Number three, advanced technicals and financials knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assets investment. The market volatility too high and the price of tokens might fluctuate distractingly due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project. And Gateway, June 30, 2025, Gateway to crypto trade over 3600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily. Get take action now. Sign up and invite friends and visit Gate official websites. Download the Gate app and follow on X, Twitter. Join our Telegram fragment. Engage with our global community, transparency and security. Okay. Everyone, thanks to all members you joined my live stream. Thank you so much. Can you drop X X fragmentary frag trade to share 75 750,000 frag. Candy Drop is airdrop platform launched by Gateware. Users can earn candies by completing tasking and participates in share tokens. Airdrop the platform is no launching the highly anticipated frag tokens airdropable by completing the following tasks. You can earn candies and take token airdrop. Even by completing the following tasks, you can earn candies and take part in sharing a total prize pool 75 750,000 frag with a maximum individual shares of 4500 frag. Details are as follows: future trading price pool 300,000 frag, individual cap 150,000 frag, and sport trading reward pools 300,000 frag, individual limited 150 1 500 frag, and alpha trading price pool 150 150,000 frag, individual limit 500 frag. Drop calculation formula: individual candy cannot total candy count of all user price pool. Even time: 1 July 2025 to 8 July 9 UTC. Participate no. And future trading price pool Trading price pool rules. During the events, users who accumulate a frag futures trading volumes enter positions plus close positions of 30,000 USDT will receive candy reward and shares 30,000 frag price pool. Each user can receive a maximum of 9 candies with an individual maximum of 500 frag. The reward rules are as follows: frag trading volume, multiple sorry 30,000 USDT 1 candy, and frag volume 50,000 USDT 3 candies, and from FRA volumes 80,000 USDT 5 candies. And sport trading volume pool rules. During the events, users with a cumulative frag sport trading volume by plus sell 5,000 USDT can receive candy reward sharing a prize pool 300,000 frag. Each user can receive a maximum of 9 candies, and a single individual can receive up of 50,000 frag. The reward rules are as follows: frag volumes 500 5,000 USD 1 candy, and frag volumes 7,000 USDT 3 candies. Frag volumes 10,000 USDT 5 candies. Number 3, alpha trading price pool. During the events, trading frag tokens get with cumulative trading volumes by plus sell or 100 USDT will earn you candy reward sharing a price pool for 150,000 frag. The maximum rewards for a single participate in 15,000 50,000 frag, and each user can receive up to 3 candies. The reward rules are as follow: frag tokens volume 100 USDT 1 candy, frag tokens volume 200 USDT 2 candies. Project introduction. Fragmatic begins as Solana first native liquidity stacking protocol and involved into the advanced frag 22 assets management standards. This new standards seamlessly integrates multiple assets, deposit prices, reward distributions, and modelers, wallet security sourcing, empowering both developers and user efficiently access copy pasted DeFi strategies. And token symbol frag and nodes. Participants must click the joins buttons on the events page after successfully joining the event. Complete the event task and different verifications to receive reward. Number 2, reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the event ends, and with the total reward 57 the 750,000 frag. Number 3, it is a strictly prohibited to register multiple accounts in bulk engage in malicious wash trading, self buying and selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts belonging to the same verified users will regard it as the same account. Sub accounts cannot participate in activities. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in the events. Agent account are not allowed to participate in fine innovations activities, and other activities are unstructured. In case of any discrepancies between the translated versions and the English versions, the English version shall prevail. Gate has the final interpretations rights for the events users, and structured areas unable to access all part of services, including participating in the events game or computation. For detailed information regarding restricted areas, please read user agreement. And number 8, risk warning: user must pay attention to the fact the virtual coin trading is influenced by various factors such as market conditions and policies. The market is highly volatile, and fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be mindful of market risk and and trade courteously. Getty, 1st July 2025. I have already read this chart. Okay, and next link number 3, frag coins. GT, flexible storm and bonus frag, limited time APR up to 50 percent, and simple errands offer after offers an extra bonus of up for GT flexible steamer terms in addition to the regulars annualized returns. Enjoy extra frag bonus with the combined APR up to 50%, total of 250,000 frag is up for grabs, first comes first served. Okay, subscribes no, and tokens term bonus APR bonus cap. And for details on subscription, redemptions, interest distributions, and extra rewards, please refer to the product subscriptions page. Project introductions: Pragmatic begins as a Solana first native liquidity restacking protocols, and evolve into a advanced FRAG 22 as management standards. These new standards seamlessly integrates multi-asset deposits, precious reward distributions, and modular wallet searching, empowering both developers and users efficiently access for the sophisticated DeFi strategies. And please note number 1, bonus reward are distributed frag and only available to users you have completed identity verifications. If multiple accounts shares the same verified identity, reward will be randomly sent to on one account only. Risk warning: cryptocurrency market are highly volatile and influenced by various factors including policy change. Please evaluate your risk tolerance and trade responsibility. This services is unavailable to users in the UK and other restricted regions. Refer to the user agreement for details. Gate services and the final right of interpretations for this event. Gate team, 1st July 2025, Gateway to Crypto, trade over 36 100 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And and sign up and claim up to 10,000 welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Visit our Gate official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with a global community for the latest insight, transparency and security. Check your 100% proof of resources. Okay, guys, I have complete the launch pool frog. Uh, get launch pool bonus task frog. Okay, guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.